This is the Behringer UV300, which is their take on the Boss VB-2. Let's check it out. Alright you guys, so my deal on these pedals is the best deal I can figure out is wait for a musician's friend to hook up one of those 15% off, 20% off, whatever percent off, and then just order a few pedals. So these are $25, and then I don't know, the 15% covers the tax and a little bit less. I think probably spent about 22 bucks all said and done. Now these are on back order for a bit, or at least this one was. I blame JHS. That's what made me order all. They're all pretty much the same box for Behringer stuff. Nice green plastic enclosure. And then a bunch of manuals and stuff I'm not going to get into. They can go back in the box. We got 3 knobs and a switch. Who needs a manual? Alright, so we've got mode, unlatch, bypass and latch. We have a rise knob, a rate knob, and a depth knob. Of course, the switch itself, input, output, and 9-volt standard power supply. Alright, let's hear how it sounds. Alright, for this demo I'm going to be using my Tajima Jazzmaster type thing. Seems like the volume's pretty consistent. And this is set on latch, rise, and rate and depth are all about 12 o'clock. There is a little warble, even with everything all the way down. Kind of adds a richness. Alright, let's see. Bypass. Bypass just means off. Alright, latch. So if you use it in the latch mode, you can use it as Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. This is my quick unboxing demo of the Behringer Ultra Vibrato UV300. Bye now.